Welcome to our tutorial about the Chamfer tool. Let's begin by turning on the curvature analysis that we activated in our previous chapter. It's on the standard toolbar. Now let's right-click and delete. And let's activate the Chamfer tool. Basically, we've got three options here: distance, distance and angle, and distance, distance. I'm going to select an edge, click Apply, and Chamfer 1 appears in our browser. Let's check out the second option here, distance and angle. With this option, the direction of the chamfer depends upon which face you select, and let's click Apply. Let's explore the last option, distance, distance. Click here to apply reverse direction. Of course, in this case, distance 1 and distance 2 are equal, so reversing the direction won't have any impact on the chamfer. We also have options for edge chain and setback. Let's right-click and delete. Activate the chamfer tool again. And select this face. Oops, let's change it. Now let's select these three edges. We can choose which setback to apply. Apply. Let's cancel out and delete this chamfer. Activate the chamfer tool again. Let's try the other option. Apply. And as you see, with just a small option change, the corner looks significantly different. This concludes our tutorial about the Chamfer tool.